Imagine a world where dining transcends the ordinary, a world that takes you on a journey, indulging the senses in an exquisite ballet of flavors, textures, and aromas. In this world, the dining experience is not merely about satiating hunger. It's an elaborate affair that embodies the essence of luxury. It's about high-quality ingredients, procured from the best sources across the globe, meticulously prepared by chefs who are masters of their craft. It's about exceptional service, where every detail is carefully considered to create an experience that is as memorable as it is delicious. Picture some of the world's most acclaimed restaurants, establishments that don't just serve meals, but craft experiences. Each dish is a testament to the chef's artistry, skillfully combining elements to create a symphony of taste and presentation. In this realm of opulence, every meal tells a story of artistry, passion, and the pursuit of culinary perfection. Now delve into the heart of these tales, where each course is a chapter, each bite a revelation. Imagine being seated in a grand dining room, where the lights are dimmed just enough to set the stage for a culinary ballet. A parade of dishes, each more exquisite than the last, begins to arrive. This isn't just a meal, it's a multi-course degustation menu at a restaurant so illustrious it boasts multiple Michelin stars. From a delicate amuse-bouche that teases your palate, to a decadent dessert that bids a sweet farewell, each course is a masterstroke of culinary artistry. The flavors, the techniques, the presentation, everything is meticulously crafted to elevate your dining experience. Here, food transcends the boundaries of taste and ventures into the realm of sensory art. Now, let's transport ourselves from this opulent dining room to an entirely different setting. Perhaps a secluded beach, a lush vineyard, or a historic castle. A location so exclusive, it's reserved only for those in the know. This is not just about dining, it's about creating memories that last a lifetime. A private chef, renowned in their craft, curates a menu just for you. The ingredients are local, the techniques are traditional, and yet the experience is anything but ordinary. It's a celebration of the location's culture and history, served on a plate. The exclusivity, the personalization, the intimacy, it all combines to create a dining experience that is truly one of a kind. These aren't just meals, they're stories of passion, craftsmanship, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. The multi-course degustation menu at the Michelin-starred restaurant represents the pinnacle of culinary achievement, while the private dining experience showcases the beauty of bespoke luxury. They're different, yet they share a common thread. A commitment to delivering an unforgettable experience that tantalizes the senses and leaves a lasting impression. These gastronomic adventures, these sensory symphonies, are what make the world of luxury dining truly extraordinary. In the realm of the elite, dining is not just about satiating hunger, it's about creating an experience, a memory. A symphony of sophistication and etiquette, luxury dining is an art form in itself. Every detail, from the weight of the silverware to the crispness of the linen, is meticulously considered to ensure an unparalleled experience. Now let's talk about the presentation. A dish presented as a work of art is a feast for the eyes, teasing the taste buds before a single morsel is tasted. It's an invitation to a gastronomic journey that is both visually stunning and delectably satisfying. Then comes the art of pairing food and wine. The right wine can elevate a dish, harmonizing with its flavors and textures to create a melody of taste that sings on the palate. It's a delicate balancing act, a dance of subtlety and nuance. And let's not forget the service. The discreet yet attentive staff, the unobtrusive refill of your wine glass, the timely change of cutlery, all these tiny details enhance the overall experience. The art of fine dining is a dance between the culinary team and the diner, a dance that leaves an indelible mark on the canvas of memory. Luxury dining is more than exquisite food and wine. It's a feast for all the senses. Let's wrap up what we've journeyed through in this world of opulent feasting. We've seen the allure of grandeur, a world where the ordinary is transformed into extraordinary, a place where dining is not just a meal but a carefully curated experience that engages sight, smell, taste, and touch. We embarked on a gourmet odyssey, exploring the unique elements that separate luxury dining from the everyday. We discovered the unforgettable experiences it offers, from the rarest ingredients to the most imaginative culinary techniques. We then delved into the art of fine dining, the craft and creativity behind each plate. We emphasized the emotional impact these experiences have, the memories they create, and the stories they tell. In the world of luxury dining, each meal is a masterpiece, a symphony of flavors that paints a vivid picture of opulence and sophistication.